Hey guys, I want to show you a couple of ways to get a remarkable finish without needing to break the bank. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we're in a kitchen, or a wet bar more so, within a basement we developed. And we have a great little space here. It presents really well. It's very practical. But I want to show you a couple of ways that you could save some money here, which we've done in this project to make it look great without being terribly expensive. So here we did opt to go with some custom cabinets, and that choice was made to optimize the space available to us. The prefab cabinets in the marketplace didn't really fit perfectly, and we wanted to maximize storage. But here we did opt to go with an IKEA butcher block countertop. It looks great, really ties in with your overall design, but by doing so, it freed up some money to be able to do a nice little backsplash tile and add these floating shelves. And these two little things really class up the space and give you that great punch to really round it out and make it look like a nice cohesive design. So when choosing your products, talk to your contractor, see if he has some advice as to where you can maybe save some money and reallocate that elsewhere in the project to really get that beautiful finishing touch. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.